Hi, I'm James, and today we're going to talk about how to measure flour correctly. The biggest comment we see on a lot of our recipes is the batter is too thick or too thin. And a lot of times that is contributed to the flour and it's measured incorrectly. So a couple of ways we're going to do this. First, we have our jar of flour. I like to have a big jar with a wide opening so I can get in there. Reason being is I'm going to take either a whisk or a spoon and I want to gently loosen up all that flour because it will compact the longer it sits. Then either using a scoop or a spoon, we'll scoop up a good amount of flour and then we'll gently sprinkle into our measuring cup, being sure not to compact any of the flour. And then using the flat side of a knife, we'll just gently scrape off the excess. We just want to make sure that the top is perfectly flat and we're not compacting any of the flour. My favorite way to measure flour is by using a kitchen scale. We're going to put a bowl onto our scale and then zero out the reading so we start with a zero value. Then all we have to do is scoop up the flour. We don't even care if the flour is compacted or not because we're going to get a true accurate measurement. We're shooting for 125 grams, which is 4 1/4 ounces, which equals to 1 cup. What I like about the scale method is you can combine ingredients that you know you're going to be eventually mixing together. So for instance, I have 1 cup of flour here and we know that we're needing a 1/2 cup of sugar added to it. All I'm going to do is zero out the scale. I know that sugar is 200 grams a cup. So all I'm going to do is add in the sugar until it reaches 100 grams and then I know I have exactly 1/2 cup of sugar. So the important thing for you to remember today is if you're not going to be getting a kitchen scale, when you're measuring flour, be sure to loosen it up and then sprinkle the flour into your measuring cup so you don't get too much.